Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know how does a Temu coupon bundle works. So I'm gonna guide you step by step. So I'll be guiding you step by step. So make sure to watch this video till the end of this video. Now first of all, let us understand what is actually a Temu bundle coupon. A Temu coupon bundle is a promotional campaign that provides users with access to several discount codes and coupons that totals up to $300 in saving. Now these coupons can be applied to variety of products on the platform, ranging from electronics and clothing to home goods and accessories. Now if you're wondering how does it actually work, so when you are a user or a new user signing up for Temu, they may be eligible to receive the $300 coupon bundle as part of their welcoming package. So this bundle usually consists of several individual coupons, now each with its own specific benefit and percent and discounts as well. Now for example, a percentage discount on the first order, or you might get a free shipping or on the selected items or order. Now if you want to claim the coupon bundle, then what you'll need to do is, first thing, you have to download the application, after which you'll be taken to this page and you need to accept the terms and conditions. Then you'll need to go ahead and create an account. So for that, you need to go ahead and enable all of these permissions, and at the bottom of the page you could find this option as sign in. Go ahead and press that. As you do that, you could either go ahead and sign up with your Google account, Facebook, or any of these. Now I'm gonna go ahead and simply use my Google account for now. And when you actually go ahead and create your account, now once the account is set up, the coupon bundle will be added to your user profile, and user can then view and apply the available discounts during the checkout process. So now I have to go ahead and enter in the verification code that's going to be sent to the email address or the Google account, after which I'll be logged into my account. So you could see there is a lot of features. Now just click on it and you could see this is my coupon bundle. So I've actually got $200 coupon bundle, so I can just go ahead and click on get now and start applying for it or start purchasing item by using this coupon. So this is the way it works. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.